In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint step by step, perfect for beginners who want to create clean and professional presentations. We'll cover how to create a new presentation, insert pictures, add text boxes, add new slides, insert audio, and apply a design theme to make everything look polished. If you're new to PowerPoint or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple and easy way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for PowerPoint, or by double-clicking the PowerPoint icon if it's on your desktop. Once PowerPoint opens, you'll see the Start screen. Now click on File in the top left corner, then click on New. From the available options, choose Blank Presentation. This will open a fresh slide where you can start building your presentation from scratch. Let's begin by inserting a picture. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab. In the toolbar, click on Pictures. A file browser window will open. Navigate to your Downloads folder or whichever folder contains your image. Select the image file you want to use, for example, a file named Download open bracket 1, close bracket, and then click Insert. The image will now appear on your slide. To adjust the picture position, simply click on the image, hold down your mouse button, and drag it to wherever you want it placed on the slide. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corner handles. This helps you fit the image neatly into your layout. Next, let's insert a text box. Go back to the Insert tab at the top. Click on Text Box. Now move your cursor onto the slide, click and drag to draw the text box in the area where you want your text to appear. Once the text box is created, click inside it and type the required text. You can format the text using the Home tab, where you can change the font size, color, alignment, and style to match your design. Now let's add a new slide and insert another picture. On the left-hand side where you see your slide thumbnails, right-click on the existing slide and click on New Slide. A new blank slide will appear. With the new slide selected, click on the Insert tab again. Click on Pictures, then navigate to the folder where your second image is saved. Select the required image file, for example, a file named Download, and click Insert. The image will appear on the new slide. Just like before, you can drag the image to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize it as needed. Now let's insert audio into the presentation. Click on the Insert tab once again. In the Media group on the right side, click on Audio. Choose the required audio file from your computer, for example, a ringtone file, and click Insert. An audio icon will appear on your slide. You can click and drag this icon to reposition it anywhere on the slide. You can also use the playback options at the top to control whether the audio plays automatically or when clicked. Finally, let's apply a design to make your presentation look more professional. Click on the Design tab at the top of PowerPoint. You'll see a variety of themes displayed. Hover over them to preview how they will look on your slide. When you find a theme you like, simply click on it to apply the design to your presentation. This will instantly update the background, fonts, and overall style. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a new PowerPoint presentation, insert images, add text boxes, create new slides, insert audio, and apply a professional design theme. These basic tools are all you need to start creating impressive presentations for school, work, or personal projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.